Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Imran. Today we are gonna create the CSS box animation with HTML and CSS. Okay, let's move to the code. Okay, first create index.html. So we copy that HTML snippet and create another file name as style.css. So close it and move to the style in index.html and link the style sheet in index.html file. Okay, after that, since the document title I named it CSS Animation and create a h2 element and provide the text says CSS Animation and create a one div element and provide the class name for that div is box. After that, head back to the style.css file. Okay, provide the global CSS in body, call the margin 0 and padding 0, width 95 pivot width and height 95 pivot height, display flex direction column, line item center and justify content center as well. Finally, forward position relatives. That's it. Okay, forward some CSS into h2 element, color red, font size 24 pixel. Okay, let's head back to index.html file and finally run. Now as you can see there, the CSS animation is showing properly. Okay, let's head back to just tell the CSS and provide the some CSS class into the box element. Okay, provide the width is 200 pixel and height 200 pixel as well. Okay, and then background color red, position absolute. Okay, the box shadow 10 pixel for X and 10 pixel for Y and 20 pixel alpha, and finally provide the color gray. Okay, border radius 10 pixel. Okay, now you can see there. Now you can see the output. Okay. Okay, provide animation, create animation. Okay, create animation names. Okay, I'm providing name, anything you can want, name to your own name. So I'm provide the box animation and simply create that animation, the call box animation from and to. Within the from, I need to be the start animation, the background color red and to black. Animation will start background color red to background color black and provide the animation duration as 4 as that's it. Go head back to browser. Now you can see the animation. Okay, I want to provide the animation delay. Animation delay is 2 as is perfect. Okay, so after 2 seconds animation will run. Now as you can see there, so and then I convert to %. Okay, and then 25%, after that 50%, and finally provide 100%. That's it. Within 50% I'm providing the background color blue, and finally 100% background I'm providing within 100% background color yellow is right. Okay, let's move to browser. Now reload. Okay, and this is showing perfect. And provide the animation iteration count, how many times animation will run. So okay, press now. As you can see there, you can see this is perfect. After that, animation timing function, each in out start slowly and out also slow. Okay, now you can provide animation direction, the direction of your animation. So I'm provide the alternate tool. When animation finishes back to it will start from back. Okay, now I can provide an alternate reverse. Okay, after that what I'll do next, so provide the iteration count is infinite. It will run animation will run infinite times. It will never gonna end. It will never gonna end. Okay, so I'm providing the border radius is 20 pixel, border radius in 25%, border radius 10 pixel, within 50% border radius 30 pixel, and finally I'll reach 100%, the border radius will be 0. Okay, let's head back to browser, and okay, now you can see how cool is that, right? Now okay, I'm positioning the dip in animations. Get 10% top and left, 0%. Within 25%, provide the left 20% and top 10%. Okay. In 50%, 100 raise the 50%, the top 30%, left 20 pixel. Finally raise the 100%, the top 20% and left 50%. That's okay. Oops, something's wrong. Maybe I forgot to put the position absolute. Oh yeah, I'll provide a forward position absolute. Now it's working fine. So fine, I can make in one line with the short animations. Okay, let's do it. Okay, commented out everything and write into one line animation. Provide the animation name and provide animation duration. Animation duration and animation timing function, and then animation delay. After that, animation iteration count, and final forward animation direction. That's it. Okay, now everything's working fine. Okay, see you next. Bye.